This is a pyrosol flame heat treating of the aluminum before bonding and riveting. Putting in the floor on a 2007 Jaguar XJ-L. Here at Richard's Body Shop on Lawrence. Old floor is cut out and the rivets are all drilled out. Everything had to be thoroughly cleaned. As per Jaguar, this aluminum needs a lot of care for cleaning. It has to be perfectly clean in order not to corrode and in order for the adhesive bonding to adhere. He's now applying a adhesion promoter with the Pyrosil kit. To all the flanges before he applies the actual adhesive. This car was brought here from St. Louis, Missouri. We are probably the closest shop that's Jaguar certified from here to St. Louis, here in Chicago, all the way to St. Louis. More to follow as we rivet the floor and apply the glue.